Look at your profit. From 20 to 32 point, more than 60% increase in your profit. You getting the seriousness of this cost volume profit analysis in your own real application, right? When you start your own business, look at that. Even though your variable cost is increasing $15 and you are not selling much, just 75 units, that's it. In our previous questions, we are selling 150 plus units. See, 150 units we are selling. Even then we are just increased with $2,000 profit. But here we are just selling extra 75 units, that's it. And our profit jumps, huge profit, 12,375. So this is the magic of decreasing the fixed cost. Small portion of fixed cost. Junpyo, you look surprised, right? How much important is the fixed cost? Right, Subhan? How much important is the impact of fixed cost on the business? So you must control your fixed cost.
Or I have a question.
Yes, sure.
But fixed cost is not dependent on us, right?
Fixed cost does not depend on units sold. For example, rent expense, utility expense, fixed salaries. So that's why when you go to the go for apply for a job, something, so they will say that work on commission basis. If you go to sales job, they will say that okay, work on commission basis. If you go to have property jobs, so they will say that we will pay you small amount of fixed salary, but it's commission based commission based job. So those businesses are basically taking care of their fixed cost. They don't want to increase their fixed cost because fixed cost is sunk cost. Whenever it is committed, you have to pay that and gone. You cannot decrease that. Once it is committed, you cannot back off from it. But variable cost, you increase it, you sell more, it increase. You sell less, it is decreased. Understand? Good. Now, let's talk about this one. Do we have a question here? I'm just worrying about any question. Nothing, no question. Just a last question here. Let's see that. Now, if the RBC has an opportunity to sell 150 bikes to a wholesaler without disturbing sales to other customers or fixed expenses, what price would it quote to the wholesaler if it wants to increase monthly profit by 3,000? This is another advanced level of cost volume profit analysis or contribution margin approach. So they got the order. Order is huge, but it's one time. Nobody knows, and it's not going to repeat. It's not a normal business operation that you will get 150 bikes. But they said, okay, we will be earning from this 150 units only $3,000. And nobody knows about this, that we sell our bikes to that customers are not disturbed, our fixed cost remain the same. Only thing that we want to earn $3,000, that's it, minimum profit, that's it. What should be our price? In the market we are selling $500, which includes our profit as well, but we want to earn just 3,000. So what will be our selling price? This question can be done through various analysis, but the simple one is we know that the profit is equal to CM per unit multiplied by quantity minus fixed cost, right? Fixed cost is change here? No, 0. You can, let me change the color here. You can put 0 here. Units sold. CM, right now we are earning CM 300. Profit, we want to earn 300. No, this equation is not balanced, right? Because everything is given, so how we can find out the sales? Okay, got it.
Sure. How do you define the CM 300?
CM, we already know that in our RBC example here.
Okay.
In this is older version. In this we have 300 CM. Sorry,
Okay,
300
sure.
variable cost. Sorry. 300 variable cost. 200 is the CM. You are right. So you can always use this equation. Profit is equal to sales, total sales minus total variable cost minus total fixed cost. So we can just say that, okay, this is 0. Total variable cost would be 300 multiplied by 150. Total sale price we need to find out because we want to earn $3,000 profit. So sale price multiplied by 150. So you rearrange this equation. Let me solve it here. So 300 is the profit we want to earn. Sale price multiplied by 150 units minus 300 is the variable cost multiplied by 150 units. 0 is the fixed cost because fixed cost is not changed. So you can find out S easily, or in a simple version, simple as that. How much we want to earn? 3,000 per unit. 20. So which cost we cannot avoid? Variable cost. So variable cost plus the per unit profit. Answer is 320. There are various methods to do that. But remember, this price is significantly lesser than the market price 500. So that's why the question explicitly mentioned that without disturbing other customer, otherwise you will lose your market power. Your customer will say that you sold to that customer $320 and you are selling us $500 each bike. We are not going to have any further relationship from you. We are not buying your bicycles. So that's why this is that the opportunity, a one-time opportunity. And you are only, your goal is only to earn minimum amount, $3,000, that's it. So $3,000 per unit, how much? 150. So you want to earn 20. That's it, from each bike to this new order. How much is your variable cost? 300. So total, you will offer them that I will be selling you at $320. Right? Subhan, you understand this question?
Yes, sir.
Junpyo?
Yes, sir.
Good. So any question from for today's lecture? Right? Just pay close attention to the CM ratio formula and CM per unit ratio. Answer is the same, but the formula is a little bit different. So in our next class, we will be talking about the target profits and other stuff as well. So you can also see that whether we are having 3,000 profit or not, you just multiply 150 into 320, our new price. See, Answer would be 48,000. You will sell the bikes 48,000. Your variable cost would be 300 per bike. So that would be 45,000. Your profit will be 3,000 because you are not disturbing your existing fixed cost and your existing customers. That is a one-time game. That's all for our today's lecture. I would be uploading these links. If you have any question, you can ask, or you can also post in our WeChat group. I would be happy to answer. Right? Okay, no more questions, Junpyo?
No
So
questions, sir.
are you gonna send this PPT to group chat?
Yes, sure. I will
Okay,
be.
thank you.
Okay, so take care. Next
See you,
time.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
See you.
Have a good weekend.
Bye-bye.
Yes.